ladies and gentlemen, we're doing a strainer pour. And you're going to get some ASMR really quick. Opening this up. So we're going to take our canvas and we're going to do a ring pour in this strainer. And we're going to see what we create. Ladies and gentlemen, I have mixed all of my paints to the same ratio and consistency, and I weighed them. And so I'm going to mix some colors up for our strainer pour, and you're going to watch it really quickly. Here I am spreading out my pillow paint, and this is the same consistency. I mixed it the same so that all of the paint is exactly the same. We have our spinner, our strainer. We're just gonna plop it down in the center. And we're gonna take our cup and we're gonna pour. Ladies and gentlemen, check out this masterpiece. We got lots of yellows and greens in this one. Loving the lines and the definition. Wow. So cool. Woo-wee. Alright, we're gonna try to delicately lift this. And we have a few air bubbles. Ooh, those are some stubborn bubbles. Look at that one bubble. It's got all the colors in there. All right. And that's what my strainer looks like. So I'm gonna try a spin. Wow, so freaking cool. Y'all look, that's what I set my strainer down, and that's what was created on its own. Okay, check this out. I love the bubbles in the middle. It created like something really cool. This reminds me of the circus, even though I didn't like the circus growing up. This is really pretty and different, and I really like it. I love the flowering effect. And this is like so 70s, 80s psychedelic. And I like the blues and greens. It's creating some really pretty blues up in here. So one thing about this technique that I learned just from watching others is minimal tilting, because tilting kind of can destroy the pattern. And I tilted just a little bit because my paint was running to one side, and it definitely kind of messed some things up here, but it's not bad. So that's the biggest tip I can give so far on this technique, but this is so much fun. All right, in the comments below, give me a color palette you would like to see with this technique. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. Remember, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, have an amazing, productive day. Peace.